A very good morning to you all children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of English language. We are still on chapter 3rd and we will be studying action words. And we have seen that action words are also known as doing words, right? As they demonstrate an action which is happening there, right? They tell an action which is going on there. And we did all these exercises, right? And we saw some sit, walk, smiles, eat, right? And then we saw that S or ES is added if there is one person, and if there are more than one person, then S and ES is not being added, right? Now see, we move ahead. Now, Ron wants to write to his grandmother about his pet dog Rock. Help him to complete the letters with the word given in the box. Now there are some words given here like plays, love, sleeps, go, run, meet, hug, call, eats, love, bark, love, and beneath it there is a letter which is there. You have to fit in these words here. Dear grandma, hope you are well. We are all doing fine. Thank you for your birthday gift. I, and then which word will come here? Right? I love the book, right? I love the book. Then dad had gifted me a dog. I call him Rock. See, here is, this is love and there is call, right? Like these you have to fill in. He plays with me, right? You will write here plays, see like this. He eats in my room. He sleeps with me. We go to the park and run around, right? So you have to complete this entire chapter like this, right children? Now entire work. Now we come to the D part. Tick the correct action word here. V is more than one, so we all know when it is more than one, S is not added. So we play tennis. She is one, so with one we add S or ES at the end. So here dances is having an S, so dances is correct. Father is one, then cooks will be right here. See, in the third one you will take at cooks, because singular we add S or ES. Daya sings beautifully, SINGS. Line like this you will complete this exercise, right? Now see, play. Choose any animal you like but do not name it. Talk about its action in 2 sentences. Ask your partner to identify it, right? So you can do this. Now we move ahead, learning with Ladybird. Use can and can't to say what we are good and bad at, or what we are able to do. Xavier can play the guitar. Rima can't sing. Now can is showing that the person is able to do it. Can't means that person is not able to do it. Rima can't sing. Marshall can paint. Fish can't walk. We also use can and can't to ask someone to do something. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can't you be quiet? No, I can't. Can't means same as cannot, right? Now we come to perhaps the last exercise, right? Can or can't. Seb can kick a ball. Second, Serena can sing, right? Then the fish dash run. We all know fish cannot run, so fish can't run. A bird can swim. We know generally the birds cannot swim, so we will write birds can't swim. The horse jump. Yes, the horse is jump. So the horse can jump. And see, the child is doing the painting, so I can paint. Now match these. Can I go to the park? See, it has been matched with yes, you can. Can we play tennis? Here cross mark is there, so the answer is no, we can't. See, C part, no, we can't. And then the third one, can you help me? The answer will be A part, yes, I can. Right, children? So this marks the end of this chapter. I hope you liked it as much as I did. Please remember, action words are the doing words which tell us that something is going on. Thank you, children, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.